Good afternoon, everybody. This is Razia, teaching physical sciences. Today, I am going to introduce from class 9th class, that is first chapter, that is motion. So, what is the chapter? Motion. What is motion? When do you say that an object is in motion? When do we say that the object is in motion? For example, the body which is moving, then we say that the body is in motion. The bus is in motion. That means the bus is moving. The body is in motion. The bus is in motion. The car is in motion. A car is in a motion. A car is in motion. That means a car is moving. A bus is in motion. That means a bus is in moving. So simply we say that a car is in motion. That means a car is moving on the road. A bus is moving on the road. We say that a bus is in motion. A cycle is in motion. A lorry is in motion. So we define the motion is nothing but the movement of the body is called motion. So let us let us see the next topic, that is relative. In the motion, in this chapter, we are going to understand first of all the concept called relative. What is meant by relative? For example, there are two persons, Ram and Shyam. There are two persons, Ram and Shyam. There are two persons, Ram and Shyam. They are approaching a house. They are approaching a house. They are approaching a house. Ram is approaching the house with left side. He is approaching the house and he is moving towards left. Shyam is moving or approaching the house towards right. This is right side for the Shyam and this is left side for the Ram. So Ram is moving towards left to approach the house. Shyam is moving right to approach the house. Do you think who is correct? Ram moving left side is right or Shyam moving right side is correct? Who is correct? Already we know that this is relative. So Ram moving towards left is right or Shyam moving towards right is correct. So by observation, both of them are right. You may think that how both can correct. Yes, both are right. Why? Because Ram is approaching the house towards the left side. So if I stand here, it is towards my left side. If I stand this side, the house is towards right side. For Shyam it is right side and for the Ram it is left side. So both of them are correct. Both of them are correct. That means here location is relative. The house, that is location. Location is relative. So both of them are correct. For Ram it is towards the left side and for Shyam it is towards the right side. So both of them are correct. So let us take second instance. For example, if you are in Hyderabad Hyderabad, the time is 9:30 a.m. in the morning. If your friend or any of your relative is in New York, his time is 9:30 evening p.m. So, whom do you think is right? Who is right? The person who is staying in Hyderabad is morning 9:30, and the person who is staying in New York, it is evening 9:30, night time 9:30. So, do you think the person who is in Hyderabad is right, and the person who is in New York is right? So, by this we can say that both of them are correct, because here the time is relative. Here, because of days and nights, because of the rotation of the earth, days and nights are caused, and here the time is once it is in Hyderabad it is daytime, and here New York it is night time. Next, let us go for third concept. Next, third one. Consider, for example, I take a stick. This is stick 1. This is stick 1, and this is its height. Now take another stick. For example, this one you are supposed to show that it is shorter. To show that it is shorter, I will take one more stick. This is stick 2. So, stick 1 is lesser height than stick 2. Stick 1 is shorter. Stick 1 is shorter than stick 2. So, stick 2 here it is longer. Stick 1 is shorter and stick 2 is longer. If I ask you to show stick 1 is longer, how are you going to show stick 1 is longer? Yes, stick 1 is shorter than stick 2. Now, our case, here I am supposed to show stick 1 is longer. How can I show stick 1 is longer? Already stick 1 is long, stick 1 is shorter than stick 2. Now, my aim is to show stick 1 is longer. How can you show? Do you have any idea to show that stick 1 is longer? Yes, we have an idea to show that stick 1 is longer. You put one short stick. This is stick 3. When we compare to stick 1 and stick 3, stick 1 is longer, and here stick 3 is shorter. Before we have said that stick 1 is shorter, but here when we compare these two, stick 1 is shorter, stick 2 is longer. But when we compare these two sticks, stick 1 is longer than stick 3. That means here I am saying that before I said that stick 1 is shorter, but now I am saying that stick 1 is longer. So, how can both the answers are right? Here both the answers are right. Stick 1 is, before it is shorter, now it is longer. How can it be possible? Shorter and longer? When we compare stick 1 and stick 2, stick 1 is shorter. But when we compare stick 3 and stick 1 is longer. That means this is acting as, when we compare these two, this is shorter. When we compare these two, this is longer. So here height is relative. By this I can say that height or magnitude is relative. Relative is nothing but we can change. Relative is nothing but not constant, goes on changing. So before I said that stick 1 is shorter, but now stick 1 is longer. So I can say, so that means height is relative. So So this is all about relative. Now let us go for next concept. Uniform motion. What is uniform motion? For example, if you are cycling on a road, that means when you are moving on a bicycle, when you are moving, for example, note down the readings. Note down the readings in time. This is time and the distance. Okay now. When starting time, it is 0 and distance is also 0. Initial point. Now, after 1 second, okay now, consider after 2 seconds. For 2 seconds, it is, for example, it is 2 meters covered. Okay now, then after 3 seconds, after 4 seconds, next, after, otherwise consider next second, third second, fourth second. Like that. At 0 seconds, the distance is 0. After time 2 seconds, the distance is 2. Then after 3 minutes, the distance is 4 meters. After time, that is 4 minutes, the distance is 8. Then after time 5 seconds, then here the distance is 10. That means here, observe the, now, after each and every second, when we consider after each and every second, consider this as, when the time cannot be 0, 1 second. When